friends, today we'll be talking about how do we insert a new row or a new column in our existing spreadsheet. There are three ways that we'll be talking about here. One is going to be with the help of the mouse right click button. The second is with the help of a keyboard shortcut. And the third one is again with the help of a keyboard shortcut, but there's a slight difference between the second and the third one. So let's start with the first, which is with the help of mouse right click button. So any column that you want to insert, select a column towards the right hand side of that, which means if I want to insert a column towards the left hand side of the C, which is between B and C, then I'll select column C. I'll right click with my mouse or with the keyboard that I have, and then I'll click on insert. It will insert a new column towards the left hand side of the selected column. Similarly, if I want to insert a row, I'll select the row on top of which I want a new row to be inserted. So I'll select the row number 8, I'll right click over here and click on insert, and the new row has been inserted. Now for example, I want to insert two columns or two blank rows. So I can go ahead and select 2 rows or 3 rows over here and right click and click on insert. Now 3 rows will be inserted on top of my selected range. Similarly, now with the help of keyboard shortcut, if I need to do the same thing. So supposedly I'm here in my cell D6 and I want to insert a column towards the left hand side of the cell. So I'll press my control key, shift key, and then the plus key. And what I get over here is an insert dialog box. And from here, I can select the option of either entire row or column depending whatever I want to insert. So in this case, since I wanted to insert a column, I'll click on insert column and click OK. And you see a new column has been inserted on the left hand side. Similarly, if you want to insert a new row with the same steps, control key, shift key, and then plus key. And then instead of column, we'll select entire row this time. And entire row has been inserted on top of my selected cell. What if I want to first highlight a row or a column and then insert a row or a column there? So first let me go ahead and delete this and this one as well. Now, for example, I want a row to be on top of this, which is row number 6 should be my selected row, and then when I click on the insert, I want a row on top of this. So how do you select a row with the help of keyboard? That is by pressing the shift and the space bar. Once you click on both the buttons, what happens is the entire row is selected. And now we'll follow the steps of our second process, which was control key, shift key, and then plus key, and a row has been inserted. Similarly, if I am on my cell C6, which is absolutely blank right now, and I want to highlight my column, so I'll press Control and space bar. So very minute difference. For a row, we press Shift and space bar, and for a column, we press Control plus space bar. And now, same steps, Control key, Shift key, and plus key to insert a column towards the left hand side. Try out these functionalities. All the 3 methods are great. Keyboards will actually help you in saving a lot of time, so do give them a try. And more you practice, you will be able to remember them all throughout. Thank you.